Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss about axle seal. Your car's axle seal might not be something you think about often, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. In this video, we will discuss the symptoms of a bad axle seal. Let's quickly discuss the function of the axle seal. The primary function of the axle seal is to seal the area where the axle shaft enters the differential, or transmission housing. It prevents transmission fluid or differential oil from leaking out of a vehicle, while allowing the axle shaft to rotate freely. It connects the axle to the transmission, or rear differential, of the vehicle. Symptoms of a bad axle seal. 1. Leaking fluid. One of the most obvious signs of a bad axle seal is leaking fluid. Axle seals prevent gear oil from leaking out of the differential housing, or transmission and onto the wheels or ground. If you notice fluid collecting near the wheels or around the axle housing, it could indicate a leaking axle seal. 2. Low gear oil level. As gear oil leaks out through a damaged axle seal, the level of lubricant in the differential, or transmission decreases. This reduction in gear oil level can lead to insufficient lubrication of the moving parts within these components, resulting in increased friction, heat, and potential damage to gears, bearings, and other critical components. 3. Grease on the wheels or brakes. Inside the differential or transmission, axle seals separate the gear oil from other internal components in the outside environment. When a seal fails, it allows grease to escape and spread onto nearby components, such as the inner edges of the wheels or brakes. 4. Noise. When gear oil leaks out due to a bad axle seal, it can lead to insufficient lubrication of the gears and bearings within the differential or transmission. This can result in increased friction between these components, causing humming, whining, or grinding noises, especially during acceleration or deceleration. 5. Visible damage to the axle seal. Axle seals are typically made of rubber or other flexible materials. These materials can degrade over time due to exposure to heat, oil, and other environmental factors. Cracks, tears, or deterioration in the seal material can occur, allowing gear oil to leak out. 6. Will misalignment. If a leaking axle seal leads to a loss of lubrication in the axle assembly, it can cause increased wear and tear on the axle components. This wear can eventually lead to misalignment of the wheels, resulting in uneven tire wear and handling issues. 7. Burning smell. As gear oil leaks out of a damaged axle seal and comes into contact with hot components such as the exhaust system or engine, it can create a burning smell. This odor may be noticeable inside or outside the vehicle, particularly when the leaking oil reaches high temperature areas. 8. Loss of traction. Reduced lubrication in the differential or transmission caused by a leaking axle seal can result in loss of traction, especially in slippery conditions or during aggressive acceleration. This is due to inadequate power distribution to the wheels, compromising the vehicle's ability to maintain traction and stability. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.